Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to see someone's status on WhatsApp without them knowing. So let's get started. First, click the three dots at the top right corner, then click on Settings. Now from here, you're going to want to click on Privacy, and all you have to do is turn this option off right here. It is called Read Receipts. By doing so, your contacts will no longer be able to see when you viewed their status. The same also applies to you. When somebody views your status, you won't be able to see if they viewed it. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.